Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G22, and now I can show you top 3 best themes for this device. So, on the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. So just open the Play Store and find here Niagara launcher. Click install. And click open. Click agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps and click OK. So great, as you can see here we have really minimalistic interface with really great and handy apps search feature. So here we have alphabetical line, and if you want to find any application you just need to tap your finger on this line and drag it to desired later, for example Play Store. So it's really great theme, I really like it. If you need to be focused, it's theme for you. Okay, and it's completely free. And find then smart launcher, but not 5 and 6. Find Smart Launcher 6 and download it. Click open, get started. I agree, confirm, continue. Allow Smart Launcher to access this device location. So if you want to provide your location access, you can, but I don't want. Calendar allow. You can choose suggested wallpapers. Then click confirm. An error code called temporary connection error. So I don't know why, but at the last time this launcher had this trouble, but in this way we can use it completely for free. I don't know why we have this trouble, but we can use it without Prime. So we can't buy Prime. So and here, as you can see, we have normal main menu, but with really great object grouping feature. So we have here several groups. You can create new groups if you want, and here we have really great wallpapers gallery. In the wallpaper gallery we can set up really great wallpapers, and we have here infinite wallpapers gallery, and we can use it completely for free, as you can see. So you can use this gallery completely for free. Of course you have Prime features, but we can't buy Prime right now because of problem with this launcher. So great, as you can see here we have really wallpapers, here we have really minimalistic interface, really beautiful interface, really beautiful fonts, really great apps grouping feature, and news on the left side, of course. So cool, but on the first place in my top is old Microsoft launcher. So just find it, click install and wait a while. Click open, get started. While using the app, allow, continue. Skip signing in, okay. Choose your favorite apps, continue, let go. And great, so what we have here? Here we have glance panel. On the glance panel we can set up all our favorite widgets in the way we want. So if you want to set up all your widgets, for example, here we have by default Microsoft widgets, but we can change it to Google or other widgets from other applications. Just click edit this view, remove Microsoft widgets and add your widgets from Avast, for example, of course. And as you can see here we have the widget. So you can set up this glance panel. In glance we have news, but we can disable news if you don't want to have news button on your screen. On the main menu we have hide apps feature, and we have alphabetical line. It's really great feature for me, for example. And here we have the killer feature. It's gestures. So for example, now I'll set up opening, I don't know, calculator by swiping up with 2 fingers. By swiping up with 2 fingers, I can open calculator or any other application, and I can set up these gestures in the way I want and use it and customize this device completely for me. And it's really great. So I really like this launcher. If you want to set it launcher as default, just find default home app and find here Microsoft launcher. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.